This property is a 3-bedroom, 1 full bath, and 1/2 bath ranch. The list price has recently been reduced to $275,000. Interior features of this property include wood flooring, an eat-in kitchen, and a heat pump. On the outside, this property features a carport, a porch, a deck, and a cul-de-sac location. The approximate square footage is 1,732 square feet. This property is represented by
Nina Newton, Long and Foster Realtors.